live up to the tradition. We are servants of such great personalities. As I was researching for material for inclusion in this book, Sri Bhaktistan Vaibhava, I met one disciple of Bhaktistan Saraswati Thakur. He said that he mentioned that my Gurudev, that's Srila Prabhupada, and his godbrother, he said that he said that his Gurudev, that's Bhaktistan Saraswati Thakur, was just like a lion, and he said that your Gurudev was just like a lion. And he said to me, you should also be like a lion. So I'm just like a lion cub with just and I consider that lions don't give birth to rabbits. So if we want to be a real disciple, we should be take mercy and distribute it. It doesn't mean we have to literally rip people to pieces. But like Nrsimhadev, he ripped to pieces Hiranyakashipu and was protective of Prahlad. So we should drive all this atheism out of the world